Hello everyone, I'm going to talk you through how to install the speed control box on your 3.0 trimmer. The speed control kit for your 3.0 contains a speed control box, speed control mount plate, a motor, a 5/16 drill bit, drill template, screws. You will also need the toolkit provided with your trimmer. Note that the following required tools are needed but not provided: a 5/16 Allen wrench, a drill, a flathead screwdriver, a ruler, and an optional punch tool. Start by making sure your trimmer is turned off and unplugged. Remove the belt cover. Using the 5/16 Allen wrench, remove the 4 bolts holding the motor. Once you're about to remove the 4th bolt, hold the motor with your other hand. Remove the 4 bolts holding the switch faceplate. Next, we need to remove the switch box. An easy way to do so is to unscrew the 3 screws holding the lower panel. Then gently push down on the panel just enough to pass the control box cable onto the other side. Make sure you reinstall the screws once you remove the switch box. You can now remove the motor and switch box. Use the supplied drill template and place it on the side plate opposite the motor. Use the provided 5/16 drill bit and drill 2 holes onto the side plate. Install the new motor and lock in place with the 4 bolts. Install the speed control box onto the mount plate and lock it in place with the 2 screws. You can now install the control box mount plate using the 2 holes that were drilled and secure with screws. You will need to reinstall the pulley from the old motor. You can use a rubber mallet to tap the pulley onto the shaft. Place a ruler behind both inside pulley rims and make sure that they are aligned. Next, you will need to make sure that the reel pulley and motor pulley are properly aligned. Lock with the 2 set screws. Now you can install a new belt. You can use a flathead screwdriver to guide the belt inside of the pulley's groove. Reinstall the belt cover. If any of these steps do not work, do not turn on the machine. Call tech support at 604-458-0341.